In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily win at Monopoly Go Community Chest. So grab your mobile device and let's dive into the exciting world of Monopoly Go. It's a digital spin on the classic board game where strategy and a bit of luck come together to offer you an engaging experience. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself at the familiar Monopoly board right on your screen. The objective is straightforward, much like the original Monopoly game, but with a few digital twists and rewards that make it even more interesting. One effective way to tap into those rewards is by partnering with friends to start filling your shared chest, which gives you a chance to win exclusive prizes each week. So go ahead, add friends, and invite them to help you with the community chest. This collaboration is not just about multiplying your chances, but also adding a layer of camaraderie to the gameplay. Now let's focus on the essential task of rolling the dice. To do this, simply tap on the Go button. This action moves you around the board, much like advancing your token on a traditional game board. As you embark on this digital journey, pay close attention to the tiles marked with a distinct community chest icon. These tiles are your golden opportunities, each offering the potential for great rewards. Once you land on a community chest tile, excitement is just a tap away. You'll unlock a chest filled with delightful rewards. These rewards can include coins, which are essential for making transactions within the game, shiny stickers to enhance your game board, or even bonus rolls that give you more opportunities to play and explore. To claim these rewards, all you need to do is tap on the chest that appears on your screen. It's simple and gratifying, and with each chest you open, you're a step closer to increasing your game's wealth and resources. The more you play and land on these community chest tiles, the greater your chances of earning more substantial rewards. As with any game, the key to success is persistence. Continue playing, keep rolling those dice, and aim for as many community chest tiles as possible. Each landing presents a new opportunity to collect valuable items and coins, enriching your gameplay experience. Remember, the more actively you participate, the more opportunities you create to unlock these chests. Think of each move as a chance to strategize and invest in your digital Monopoly empire. With consistent play and a bit of luck on your side, you'll soon discover the art of mastering the community chest, optimizing your winnings and enjoying the thrill of Monopoly. Go to its fullest. So, that's how you can navigate the Monopoly Go community chest like a pro. Keep rolling, keep landing on those tiles, and enjoy the rewards that come your way. Happy gaming, and may the community chest bring you excellent fortune.